guys. So all right guys, so we're here. Finally made it to the destination. That was nerve-wracking. I felt like I was sliding the whole way. Problem isn't necessarily the car in general or the temperatures, because it's, as you can see, it's 58 degrees right now. Hopefully that's not, that might be backwards, but hopefully it's not. But as you can see, it's 58 degrees right now. Problem is that it's raining, and I'm on these Mickey Thompsons, which are a little bit worn down. They did fine, actually, because I actually made that first video. I was on the Mickeys, I believe I was on the Mickeys when I rode up to Cleveland. No, I was not on the Mickeys at that time, but the car handles really well in the rain, so the car isn't the problem. It's just more so the tires, and that they're kind of worn out a little bit. But brings me to here. I'm gonna get my factory tires put back on, and they're gonna go ahead and take care of me as they always do. Discount Tire, Miamisburg, Ohio. My boy Dave Barnhart, he always takes care of me, so that's why I come to him for everything. I refer everybody to him. He does an amazing job, phenomenal job. If you need his information, contact me or whatever, and he'll get you taken care of. So that's why I go to him. He takes care of me. Good to go. And so yeah, check him out. But so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna get these tires switched back to the factories, and got a little surprise for you too. All right, here we go. Alright folks, so there you saw it. What I've been waiting for. Actually, I'll give a quick backstory on that. I actually ordered those wheels probably about 6 months ago. Those are Vossens. They're based off of, I forget which actual wheel it was, but they were customized. So we actually ordered the wheels. They wanted to check and do a test fit at their manufacturing facility. They did that, and the wheels did not fit. So we had to do a complete custom wheel. My buddy David, Discount Tire in Miamisburg, hooked me up, made sure that they got me a custom wheel, and so that way it fit the ZL1. I guess they said it was rubbing the brakes in the front, because I guess the brakes or the calipers, you know, stuck out a little bit too much. So they had to completely customize, and they to make sure that it fit the ZL1. We actually also were able to do some cosmetic customization to it as well. You would have to see both of them side by side to really see, you know, how much of a difference it is, but it actually makes a huge difference when you look up front. People notice it, and I've had a couple people look at them, and they see it. It looks really cool the way that Dave was able to hook that up, and the way we were able to customize it. So really happy about that. But those are the wheels. That's what I got. I'm actually going to do some cosmetic stuff to it this year. I was going to do all Go stuff, but I think I'm going to do show for this year. And, you know, I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. I can't promise that, because you never know. I'll get a wild hair and I'll just blow some money. That's the other thing. I don't blow money on clothes and vacations and trips and all that, and food and all that. I'm really, really tight as far as money when it comes to that stuff. But when it comes to cars, that's my thing. So no, I'm not rich by any means. I mean, I'm not rich at all. Not even close. I don't make a ton of money like some of these guys, some of these YouTubers, or some of these guys that have these, you know, fancy, you know, cars or whatever. I'm just really, really tight with my money in certain things, but cars happen to be the thing spend my money on. So it's just a little bit about me. I used to try to always do everything about cars, nothing really about me, because I'm like, nobody wants to know about me. But I've actually had a lot of people that say, hey, we want to see more of your car in particular, and we want to learn more about, you know, you. So I said, okay, you know, I'll start, you know, creating content like that, giving you guys a little insight about me and, you know, backstories and all that. So I'll try not to make stuff too long. You know, I know people ramble on. I'll try not to be that person. But, you know, hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, and comment, and share. That helps me out. And, yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Have a blessed day. See you guys later. Peace.